Today I'm going to be doing a water marble nail art tutorial. It's going to look like that. It's very pretty. I like it. You're going to need a cup. I use 2 just to make sure it doesn't break. A pitcher of water. And you're going to fill your cup up. I just fill mine up to the line. A little bit over the line. If you're doing this on your hand, a helpful tip is to put lotion around your nail like so. I put mine right there, and then I smear it all the way around. You don't have to rub it in all the way, because when you take your nail out of the water, you're going to want to wipe off the lotion. You can also use conditioner, or you can wrap your hand in tape. I use a nail dotting tool for this one. You need to make sure your water is completely clean. Mine has a little bit of stuff in it, so I'm just taking a second to make sure it's clean. I use a nail dotting tool, and I am going to be using my 3 new colors from Avon. These 3. And this one is Fuchsia, Nailwear Pro Avon. Love it. This one is Perplexed Purple. It's kind of like shiny purple, and it's also Nailwear Pro from Avon. And this one is Pink Power Breast Cancer Awareness Nail Polish, and it's Nailwear Pro by Avon too. You're going to want to undo your nail polishes. And you're going to want to set them up. For this, you're also going to need a fully clean nail, which I have already filed, but I will file it just to show you. So like that, and a little on top, and then you're going to pick one of your 3 colors. I'm going to use the light pink, because it's pretty. And you're going to need that as a base coat. The base coat, all it really does is it traps the color and makes it pop more, and it keeps the color on longer. Your water needs to be room temperature. And first I'm going to start with purple. I'm just going to pick my brush up and let it drip in the water. And it'll spread out on its own. I'm then going to pick up my pink. And I'm also going to put a drop in. Wait till it expands to put your next drop in for the best results. I'm going to put pink in. Then I'm going to put my pink back in. You don't have to do it in any certain pattern. Just whatever pattern you feel like. If your drop drops in too fast, it'll sink to the bottom, but it'll just stay there. Then I'm going to do my pink, and then my dark pink again, and let it expand, and then I'm going to do my light pink again. But instead of 1 drop, I'm going to do 2. And then I'm going to do my purple. It's supposed to look like a bullseye. And it doesn't really matter how many series of drops you put in. The more drops, the thicker your pattern is going to be. So that's the only difference with that. I'm going to pick up the camera so you can see the bullseye. Did you see how it wasn't connected? Well, that's where the nail dotting tool comes in. We'll take your skinniest one that you have, and you're going to just attach it to the sides. You're just going to carry your brush over and wipe your tip off after every insertion in the water that you do. You're going to do about 5 to 6. On the way back, you're going to take your brush and go back, cleaning your brush off. If you want to use the middle design, you can. You just dip your brush in, and it'll clean it up for you automatically. I'll show you the design. It's like a flower. Now, I'm going to put my cup down here and tilt my camera down more so you can see. I'm going to take my nail and I'm going to find the best design that I like. And I'm just going to dip it in. You're going to dip it straight in. Now I got to put it back on the table and I'll move the camera. You see my nail in the bottom of the cup? You're going to leave it down there until you clean up the surface. Otherwise, when you pull your nail back up, the stuff that's on the top is also going to come up with it. All your nails are going to be different, and if you're not satisfied with them, you can always redo it. And here's what the nail looks like. The water droplets that you see like on the top that are like right there, those will go away when it dries. I will show you another way to do it. I'm going to put my pink in. Make sure your water is completely clean before you attempt to go at it again. I'm going to put a few drops of pink just so it's very thick. And the thicker it is, the more it spreads out. So the bigger your bullseye will be. I'm going to put 3 drops of pink in. That's it, because that color is really strong already. I'm only going to put 2 in a purple, because it's a strong color. And purple takes a little bit longer to spread out. Then I'm going to go back to the purple and put 2 drops in. Then I'm going to do my pink. Wipe it off so it doesn't drip in too fast. And then I'm going to do my light pink. My pattern has not spread out that much this time. But it still looks like a bullseye, and that's the effect we want. I'm going to take it and drag it to both sides. Now, I'm just going to drag and drag. And it's going to be little designs. And you're going to wipe your brush off after every 2 to 3. I do 3. Your design now looks like this. And I need to prep a nail. And this time, purple is going to be the bottom color. But like a very thin coat. Very light. You can see through it. As it's still wet, I'm going to pull the camera down and pull the cup down so you can see. You're just going to find the best pattern that you like, and you're going to take it and you're going to just dip straight in. I'm going to pull the camera back up so you can see. And you're going to swirl your thing, and if it's not dry and not coming up quick, you can blow on it to dry your nail polish a little quicker. You're going to make sure that it's completely clean. And then you're going to pull your nail up out of the water. And this is what you get. I don't know if you can see the true color of it, but it's like pink. And it's really pretty. I like it. Now, if you guys are doing nails like this, I made my own stand, and it's really jank, but it's 2 plates super glued with I think I used 2 orange sticks, and I just cut them in half. And I made holes in the top with one of my orange sticks, because it's like the right size. And then I just stick my nails in there and let it dry. I let it dry before I put my top coat on. After that, after you do both the water nail, you're going to use a top coat. It doesn't really matter which one. I use both Icing Ultra Shine first, and then I use Quick Dry Pro FX from Walmart. If you like what you saw, there'll be new videos 2 to 3 times a week. I'm going to try for 3, but if I don't, please don't be mad. If you like what you also saw, please subscribe. Thank you.